So, how can you do this problem in 30 seconds or less? Yesterday in Centerville, the highest Fahrenheit temperature was 86 degrees and the lowest was 68 degrees. What was the difference between these temperatures in Celsius? So you have 86 minus 68, multiply this by 5 nines, which is 18 times 5 nines. Cancel things out. 2 times 5, and the answer is A. How was I able to do this problem so fast? Let me first of all show you how you would do it most likely. So you have the first temperature 86. And you think you're really cooking, by the way, so you're going to plug in it into the F. So you'll say 86 is equal to 9/5. Let's call it C1, right? Plus 32. So when you subtract 32, 86 minus 32 is equal to 9/5 C1, which is equal to 54 is equal to 9/5 C1. Now you got to multiply everything by 5 nines. You think that you're a total pro while you're doing this, by the way. Okay, so you have, so cancel this out, that's 6. So 30 is equal to C1. You're then going to proceed to finding the 68s in a similar fashion. So 68 is equal to 9/5 C2, right? Plus 32. So subtract 32 from both sides. You get 9/5 C2, which is equal to 36, is equal to 9/5 C2. Then you multiply both sides by 5 nines. So this gets cancelled. Now we have 4, right? So it's just 20 is equal to C2. And then you're like, okay, cool. So I have 30 minus 20, that's 10. The answer is A. And the answer is correct. It just took you forever. What I would do instead is something different. So check it out. What I'm going to show you is going to look slightly complicated, but just bear with me, right? So you have this as F1 and you have this as F2. So F1 is equal to 9/5 C1 plus 32. Now F2 is equal to 9/5 C2 plus 32. Here's a trick. When you subtract them from each other, what you're going to have is, you're going to have F1 minus F2 is equal to 9/5 C1 plus 32 minus 9/5 C2 plus 32. So F1 minus F2 is equal to 9/5 C1 plus 32 minus 9/5 C2 minus 32, because this minus will get expanded to both terms. So you can cancel the 32, which is exactly what you need to do. Now, of course, this remains negative. So you have F1 minus F2 is equal to 9/5 C1 minus C2. Now, the box that you're looking to find is this. Why? Because you're looking for the difference in Celsius. And that's all you have to do. In order for that, you just need to find F1 minus F2. Okay, so let's go. So this is our F1. Remember, that's 86. Minus our F2, which is 68. That is equal to 9/5 times the difference. Let's call the difference delta, Greek letter delta. Right? So we need to find the delta. That's it. Like delta is what we're looking for. Now 86 minus 68 is equal to 18. So 18 is equal to 9/5 times the delta multiplied. So now to cancel it out, we just multiply by 5 nines. Cancel, 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 cancel. So you have 5 nines times 18, which is equal to our magical delta. Now cancel things out. That's 2. So you have 5 times 2, which is 10. The answer is A. That's it.